How to find your deposit address on Toobit. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find your deposit address on the Toobit application on your mobile device. First of all, launch open the Toobit app on your device and log into your account using your credentials. After you're inside, go ahead and tap on the Assets button at the bottom right and click on Deposit. Now select the cryptocurrency you want to find the deposit address of from the menu. After making the selection, select the network from the pop-up menu, and then you will see your deposit address along with the QR code. Your unique deposit address will appear as a long string of letters and numbers, which is this one over here. Tap the copy icon to copy the full address to your device's clipboard. You can also alternatively scan the QR code if sending from a mobile wallet. So that's how you easily find your deposit address for a specific crypto on Toobit. Remember, each cryptocurrency has a different deposit address. So if you want to receive some Bitcoin, then you'll need to open up the Bitcoin deposit address. Similarly, if you are trying to receive some Ethereum, you'll need to open up the Ethereum coin. So that's it. You are ready to fund your Toobit account safely. Taking an extra few seconds to verify your address and network can save you from the stress and potential loss of sending crypto incorrectly. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.